Today we'll talk about how can you enable important updates notifications on your marketplace on your marketplace app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo here, click on it. When you just click on it here, then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you just click here on push notifications. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. You keep going down. You come here to important updates. Just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean here important updates notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.